Hello everyone, this is Danielle, and in today's trade idea of the day, I'm going to be talking about AMD. AMD was down 4.21% today. The semiconductors are down about 4% with the SMH ETF, but overall, I mean, the chart and the trend has held up really well. The ticker only pulled back into the 21 EMA, and we got a nice wick at the bottom of the candle, and it bounced. So I would say, things have been looking pretty good. So I'm still looking for this thing to trade higher going into earnings. And I mean, it's definitely going to depend on what ASML and Taiwan Semi do this week. You know, there's definitely a lot of jitters right now in the market. And let's say, for example, ASML comes out, has a great report, starts trading higher. That can add some bullish anticipation to AMD. So same thing with, Taiwan Semiconductor. Taiwan Semi had a really great pre-earnings momentum move, and it's now, it's pulling back, but that's fine. I was already in and out of this one twice, and we'll just have to see. One of my favorite things to do during earnings season is look at the companies that are reporting first. And, if those companies that are reporting first end up doing really well, that can definitely help the pre-earnings momentum move in the companies that are coming up next. So if you take a look at, the ones that are coming in the next wave, and then just say, okay, let's see if Taiwan Semi and ASML can provide a nice boost. So anyways, that's what I'm looking at today. I also want to let you guys know that my friend Henry is going to be having a webinar on the 15th. So definitely make sure you check this out at 6 o'clock p.m. Central Time. Henry is absolutely amazing at the zero DTE trades, so make sure you check that out. And then if you would like to use an earnings calendar, check out the tool that I created. This is optionsearnings.com, and this is a customizable earnings calendar. So you can basically come in here, you can edit the different stocks that are popping up, you can erase the ones that you don't care about. And then at the end, you can download your image. You can also use the different filters and search options to kind of get your own custom calendar so that you have your own watch list of tickers that you're interested in watching. So hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.
Hey traders, thanks for watching this video. If you want to make sure that you get all of our free trading content, make sure you hit subscribe, and also give us a like and comment down below. If you want to learn more about us, and if you want to join us for live trading in real markets with real money, make sure you go to simplertrading.com, where you can join us for more info. Thank you very much and have a great day.